We'll walk you through how to join the Donut SMP Discord server and link your account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Right now, I'm playing Donut SMP, and I wanted to create a team. When I started the process, I was told that I needed to link my account through the Discord server first. So that's what we're going to do. First, open Discord. You can use the Discord app if you already have it installed, or you can use Discord in your web browser. The process is exactly the same either way. In this example, I'm using Discord in a web browser. You can go to discord.com/app or simply open the app on your device. Once you're in Discord, you need to join the server. On the left-hand side, scroll down to the bottom and click the plus icon. I had to scroll a little further because I'm in a lot of servers. Click it, then choose Join a Server. In the invite link field, type Donut SMP. After that, click Join Server at the bottom and wait for it to load. Once it joins, the server will appear in your server list. Next, you may need to complete a few setup steps. Click Complete at the top if it appears, and make sure to read and agree to the rules. I've done that here. Now, scroll down on the left side until you find the Verify section. After that, go to the Commands channel and type .link. Press Enter to send it. Discord will then give you a code or command to link your account. Copy that command by right-clicking it and selecting Copy. Then return to Minecraft, open the chat, and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Press Enter. If everything works, you should see a message in Minecraft saying that your account has been linked. Then, when you go back to Discord, you should receive a confirmation there as well. That's it. Your account is now linked. If you found this helpful, leave a like. I look forward to helping you again.